back to the channel. Today we are going to make this origami envelope. So it can open like that, and you can put it back in. And if you flip it over and fold it into thirds, like this, and if you stick these in here, it can be a flicker. And if you like this, and if you combine some together, you can get an origami bracelet. And this can also open up like this. If you have small fingers, you could just like stick your pinky in there, or you could put a pencil right there and go like that. Want to fold it? Then let's go. Origami envelope, you'll need a 6-inch square of origami, and to connect it, I'll show you right after we do the folding. So first, you're going to fold it in like here. You're going to get it into thirds. Turn it into thirds. Get it into nice thirds. Once you got into thirds, you gotta crease sharply. You could either use scissors or you could either rip. You're gonna take your scissors or you can rip. You're going to cut this line right here. Now you've got this. And now you're just going to fold it in half. Crease well, open it up and fold these to the middle this middle crease right here. Fold this one too. And then you're just going to fold this down right here and this down. And then you're just going to fold it down like an airplane. And then you're going to take this and fold it up to like right here. There's some space right there, and you're going to take this corner right here and fold it like right there. And do the same thing with the other one. Fold it up here. And now there's going to be a little pocket right here. You're going to stick this just right in there. Stick this right in there. Like that. And then you're going to just push it in. Keep pushing. If you need a crease, go ahead. And there, you've got the envelope. And then to get the flicker and all that, you're going to fold this like this. Fold this like this. Crease well. Get good thirds. Make this into thirds. And you're going to take this and open this up here. Just gonna stick it in here like this. Fold and crease. The same thing with the other one. Like this. Make both of them open up. Just going to stick this in right there. And you're just gonna stick this in right in there. Like that. Now you've got the flicker, and open it up. Push this, open it up to get all that stuff. And now I'm going to teach you how to do the bracelet. You'll need 3 envelopes. So if you need to, we can redo the video, or if you've already memorized it. So first, put one aside. Fold this into thirds. like this and leave it there. Same thing with the other ones. Fold this into thirds. Fold this into thirds. Crease well. And now, fold them back out like this. And this is what you're going to do. Take any one of them. You've got these openings right here. Right here like this. You're going to take this here. You're just going to stick it in those pockets right there. And keep pushing until you think it's a good enough amount to fit your wrist. Or if you want to make it for someone else. And then for this last one, you do the same thing. Put it in here. But if it's a little bigger, just put it like this. Like this. Stick it in there. Get in there. And then do this one. Take this. Stick it in there. Stick it in here. And keep pushing. Keep pushing. Keep pushing. Till you think it's a good enough thing. If you want to put it on your hand, just open that back up and just try using it with one hand. Try putting it in. It might be hard, or it might be, you can do it if you want. Keep pushing till you think it's a good enough amount. And you're done.
Make sure to like, share, and subscribe. Turn on your notifications so you never miss one of our latest videos, and we'll see y'all next time.